Ow, please stop it.
Stop what?
Shut up. It's so wrong.
I just need to see it.
Yeah. Stop it. It's too bright.
Did you pluck your eyebrows?
I didn't.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me look at them. So you did?
No, I didn't.
Are you positive?
Yes.
Let me see.
No.
No, just let me see. You can cover your eyes.
What?
You can cover your eyes.
No, I can't. That makes no sense.
Yeah, I just want to see your eyebrows.
No, that's creepy.
Be nice.
No.
You have really big veins in your hands.
Thanks. You need to take the light away from me. I might cry.
Okay, it's away.
I can still see it, even without them. Oh my god, no. Nah, I can sleep like this, it's fine.
Can I just see your eyebrows and I'll let
No.
you sleep?
No,
Why?
because I don't want you looking at my eyebrows.
Did you shave them?
I didn't shave them.
Did you wax them?
I didn't wax them.
Did you pluck them?
I didn't pluck them.
Did you yank the hairs out with your fingernails?
Yes, that's exactly what I done.
You're kind of creepy,
I
aren't
know,
you?
that's really weird.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.